Hey everybody, Michelle here. Welcome to Gardening TLC. So I have a question for you guys today. How many of you are thinking about putting in like a fire pit this summer, or maybe a paver patio or sidewalk, or maybe even a retaining wall? Well, if you are, I know a lot of times people need inspirational ideas to figure out what they want to do in their space. So what I did was I compiled a group of pictures for you guys to check out today of some of the hardscaping projects that I've done in the past. Now, I have a purpose for doing this because I really want your input about what it is that you would like me to teach you if you were going to do it yourself. What I want in the comments below is, through the summer, I am still kind of sort of involved in the landscape crews and what it is they do, even though I'm not the active supervisor of the whole division anymore. So if you are looking for, like, I want to know how to put a patio in and how to do it properly, or how to build a retaining wall or things like that, well, I can certainly do videos about those and do some DIY tutorials on how to put those in. If that is something that maybe you are looking for, put it in the comments below. Or if there's any project that you see that you're like, I really like that one, then maybe I can kind of lean towards the ones that you guys like and create those videos that would help you do it yourself, because it can be expensive to have a company come and do it. And it might be that you do need a company to come and do it because maybe what you want to do is way beyond your DIY skills. But hopefully this video will give you some ideas and some inspiration. They're just jobs that I did over the last 15 years, and I went and grabbed some pictures, and I'm just going to put them up there for you. This probably isn't going to be a very long video today because what I'm looking for really is your feedback. So let me know in the comments below what it is you'd like to see. So let's take a look. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. I hope that you found something that maybe will spark your imagination or give you some ideas for any projects that you might be doing. Make sure you leave your comments below so I can kind of figure out, is that a direction that I want to go in? Is that a direction that you want me to go in? I really want to make content that's helpful for you guys. Now, the other thing is, don't forget, starting on Mondays, this coming up Monday, we are starting our vegetable and herb garden series. So pretty much every Monday at 6 o'clock, we're going to be releasing those videos. Make sure you tune in for those. And also, if you haven't and you still want to, send in a picture from your garden right now, even if it's something that's dormant that you think is beautiful. Again, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Love you all. Keep on gardening, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.